With Microsoft Teams on your PC, Mac or mobile device, we can achieve a near perfect remote working scenario with productivity in focus. Teams help us pull together a team, use chat instead of email. Well, that's the new official conversation in chat rather than an email. Security feature and collaborate office files at the same time. Better communicate with personal mentions, focus, like and replies with just a single tap of a finger. Customize working experience for betterment and productivity by adding notes, websites, apps, and whole lot of integration options with the Teams environment. The feature list with Microsoft Teams is ever expanding. However, in this tutorial, we mainly focus on keyboard productivity shortcuts. Microsoft Teams is a chat-based hub for colleagues to work together. Use Microsoft Teams with your keyboard and screen reader to explore and navigate the app, main views and elements, and to move between views and functions. You can consider the shortcuts for office productivity or accessibility, provisioning, or say ease of your use, or whatever the reason you may consider may make your use of Teams better. Many users find that using an external keyboard with keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft Teams on Windows helps them work more efficiently. For users with mobility or vision disabilities, keyboard shortcuts can be easier than using the touchscreen and are an essential alternative to using a mouse. While this video mainly discusses about Teams keyboard shortcuts for Windows computer, they equally apply for Mac OS except for control and command mapping. The shortcuts discussed here refer to the US keyboard layout. Our first in productivity with Microsoft Teams is mute or unmute in Teams with Ctrl Shift M. Toggle your audio with this easy to remember keyboard shortcut. Screen sharing in Teams with Ctrl Shift E. Toggle the keys for on and off. Remember that moment when you need to immediately stop sharing your screen without moving your cursor or want to grant your colleague a chance to take over the screen sharing. Ensure to hit Ctrl Shift E. Initiate a new chat with Ctrl N. Another easy to remember keyboard shortcut which is likely to be used more than anything for casual chat conversation in Microsoft Teams. Accept audio calls in Microsoft Teams with Ctrl Shift S. Keyboard shortcut, period. Rejecting calls in Teams with keyboard shortcut Ctrl Shift D. To remember D for deny is probably another most used shortcut for earlier and easier call ending in Teams. Terminate an ongoing call in Teams with Ctrl Shift B. B for breakaway. Quickly and without anyone noticing if you are sharing your screen. The next one is toggle video or webcam on off during video calls or video meeting sessions with Ctrl Shift O keyboard shortcut on Windows PC. To show or hide your video during calls is of concern for most of us, so make this shortcut friendly for your eyes distance. Search the Teams quickly with Ctrl E for messages, both chat and conversations, files, activities and people. Just enter your search query and hit enter. Or if you are an advanced user, type / to have a list of commands for quick search with Microsoft Teams. To remember this shortcut, try saying explore Teams, that is Ctrl + E, E for explore. So what's your way of remembering these shortcuts? Let us know in the comment section. Search current chat or channel messages by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl + F. F for find. This is a quick find option for your current chat or channel and is not Microsoft Teams wide search option, just like the previous shortcut which we just discussed. Pressing Shift + Ctrl will help you by starting a new line in your chat message. Usually when you press enter, it will send the message. However, to better present your text messages, you can use new lines with Ctrl Enter. So stop just hitting enter, use Shift + Enter. Run through navigation items on your Microsoft Teams sidebar with Ctrl + number 1 through 5 or more. Numbers represent places of your action and can extend beyond 5 if you have more tabs in your Teams. Usually Ctrl 1 opens activity, Ctrl 2 opens chat, Ctrl 3 opens teams and channels on them, Ctrl 4 opens calendar, and Ctrl 5 opens calls tab. Should you have other customizations like apps, you can count their serial number from the top. Using Ctrl plus number is like switching tabs in your web browser, so should be easy to remember. Our next keyboard shortcut for Microsoft Teams is Lifesaver for those who need to present on their meetings and must manage their sessions at once. Yes, you can quickly admit people from lobby notifications by shortcuts Ctrl Shift plus Y. Try this and you no longer need to move your mouse around to let people participate in your meeting or webinar session. Our final keyboard shortcut for Microsoft Teams is something which we all need to use at least once or when we are in some sort of troubleshooting mode or the Pro one. Ctrl plus comma in Microsoft Teams opens settings options inside the app. Teams settings provide you with plethora of options, might be a content for an entire tutorial. For now, let's focus on what settings have in for you. There are a bunch of Teams application related settings, privacy options, notification customizations ability, devices troubleshooting options, voicemail, recording feature, and so on. Give Ctrl comma a try in Microsoft Teams to explore settings yourself. Well, that were our 12 favorite Microsoft Teams keyboard shortcuts for Windows 10 devices and for Mac with Ctrl and Command keys to switch between. We use Teams on our daily work processes and find these key shortcuts productive, life-saving, and a super quick fixes. What is your favorite? Did we miss one? Let's discuss it in our comment section. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing to TechSansar.com for more tech-related productivity tips and tricks. See you around.